They invited you to a battle, but you got them all rattled. They invited you to a battle, but you got them all rattled. Prang, bang, brah, brah, everyone sour. I not understand. Ain't driving nuts. No mercy, boom, bat, B. No mercy, brat, 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 breed to a man. Making war with God. A living dead, walking down, burn out in the scheme. In the treasure come. Scheme move, time to move on. You have a goal, ain't making mistakes. Brat, 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 brat. A war, it produces generational controllables with the human's divine. Tiny karma hits. Ain't elite, stunts roll call, a leader hole. Hey yo, a tyrant walking like a dead man, waging war on God. A lunatic, voodoo, hoodoo, crudo shit, willing to risk it all. Come towards, yeah, violence. In my raps, I do apps. In my hip hops, I give them claps. Ain't nobody else that would believe the meat, it's grease. Action in the speak louder than the words. Actions say less can behold it. Behold my soul. I got them 1,000 years old. Isn't so Lamo checking out and repeating yourself. Ain't wrong, somebody shooting out their shot. Shoot at the shot, similar, multiple gunshot. Retaliation was all. And all dog, you can never teach me new tricks. Hey pics, gym beats like brat bricks, brat brat. The chosen one got me allow. Satan, evil people don't come against you. Yeah, there's somebody need to slay to ascend to the lower vibration, copycat. While you ascend to the higher, in the force before the true connection come, they become so miserable. Violence in my music, violence in my craft, violence when I speak, violence when I breathe. Adore, done it all. And the celestial being done all. Hypervillain, hop and puff and prepare. I'm committed, they committed to the heinous crime. Scapegoat obsessed, can't keep my rhyme. A lesson watching on the DEA, trying to run out down the car, and the accident come run hunt down you. Ghost hoes hunt you like it's all to you, and suddenly take you. You're ruining everything they said you can't win. War against familiar spirits is my rhyme. Careful with your mess, carefully monsters. How under the bed doesn't scare me. Classical in my drill. Rapping, tapping vibes. Pooper rapping, hippin'. Instrument gifted in my voice. Outgrown, outgrown, outgrown them. Outgrown surpass requirements needed. Weakening the energy updated no longer than the level come. Oh, you're fighting you devil, you're a walking dead. Trapped in the club arrest. Admired from the cosmic hate. Oh, unbothered really. In the rattle can rattle took you to a battle, got them all running, get scared. Well, you're running now, well, you're not running now. Aren't aggressive in the core, give them nothing in it, like it shows one. Dope next in the dotted side span. Triple now, what's it selling pussy? Admire the color prevents, and the attack slide in that brat. Best in the never, best before, like the 90s. Centuries vibes, hopper up and hip hop. Hey, where are I mean the energy? Can't you touch? It's immortality. The ring of us all. Whoa. I can see a man bit it more for Joe. It was a slingshot, like a slingshot. Stalking a group, keep calling anonymous. Tip line, false reports, false allocation and accusation. All المشهد مريب. كنتو تنتو تزورون من الخطير. There's magical aura in you affect all here. Buddha's come to get you. Survive in the karma, get them in the right uplifting in the gospel reggae mixed with the appointed on them all. Juice is done, broke laws on. Figured in the interested to know. Hey, things have fallen. They are a part of a falling. Things have fallen. Beat it. Rock it with you. Glue in the print can smooth you. A criminal, dirty Diana. Dangerous, immoral, and rama. Jesus has said, remember all. They don't care about ya. Can I keep with them? Won't keep all. For the guns past and the love ground got all flat on the face. Can the ram green please harmony can my song. They can handle your growth. Entire county work please call it under final judgment. Death is their stamp. This cult, those idiots, if they fell from a boat, they can't find water.